Welcome to this tutorial on how to get your MetaTrader 5 ID. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform used by traders around the world. Obtaining your unique ID is essential for setting up your account and executing trades. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. If you do not have it yet, you can download it from the official website or your device's app store. Once the application is open, you will need to log in or create a new trading account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you are new to the platform, follow the prompts to create a new account, selecting the appropriate options based on your trading preferences. Once logged in, locate the Navigator panel, usually found on the left side of the window. Here, you will see your account details displayed. You should look for the section that shows your account number, which is your MetaTrader 5 ID. This number is crucial for identifying your account and should be kept secure. Remember, you can also find your MetaTrader 5 ID by clicking on Account History or Trade tabs where your account details are shown. Make note of this number and store it safely, as you will need it for any future transactions or communications regarding your trading account. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.